front of me is Honor Magic V6, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening device's settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you want to connect to. Then wait for the pop-up. Click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable it, and then select pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Now, if you wanna manage this connection or connection to any paired device, use this icon next to the chosen one and check out all of those options, including unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!